Homer Williams, a man who became entangled in this episode last June 3rd when police searched his home for clues. They suspected his son of murdering Nathaniel Cater and maybe 11 other victims on the task force list. Today, that same man, 9 months later, took the stand in his son's behalf. Homer Williams talked of Wayne's childhood, of his son's bankrupt radio station venture, of the many cars the family owned and rented, telling the court he never noticed any unusual odor or saw anything suspicious after Wayne used the cars. Mr. Williams briefly talked of his home, its layout, carpet that was taken as evidence, claiming some was purchased after Cater's body was found. With more to tell, Homer Williams takes the stand again in the morning. By tomorrow, the defense is confident that Homer Williams will have been a very good witness in his son's behalf. They are, however, optimistic about an earlier witness today, a doctor who tried to poke holes in the state's fiber evidence. Dr. Randall Bruset conducted several tests, one by placing a so-called fiber-free pillowcase into the Chattahoochee River for 30 minutes. He told the jury when it came out, hundreds of fibers clung to the material, suggesting fibers found on Cater and Jimmy Payne's bodies may have been picked up from the river, not Williams' home and car. He then took a green carpet sample from this building in Atlanta, outside the law offices of defense attorney Mary Welcome. He said the fibers were similar to those taken from the Williams green carpet. In summary, the Kansas State professor said, today, with the mass production of material and fabric, you can't say a fiber came from any one source. The state disagrees and tried to imply the expert was a man who only spent 5 hours at the crime lab. Certainly not enough time, it contends, to make the claims made today. But tomorrow, prosecutors will turn their attention away from the technical end of this trial and again concentrate on the testimony of a father and then a mother of a man charged with 2 murders. Ernie Bjorkman, Action News.